Hey there everyone, it's me, Dimple ma'am.
Hello.
I'm back again
Good morning, sir.
and we are going to learn paint.
Sir,
So let us see what we are going to learn today. So everyone, today we are going to start with the shapes tool. You all love drawing different shapes, right? So let us see how we can draw different shapes. Can you see the shapes tool? Can you spot it? Well, here it is, the shapes tool. Let us click on it. Oh, there are so many wonderful shapes. Which one should I choose? Well, I will choose a star. There are two kinds of stars. A 5-point star and a 6-point star. So let's choose the 6-point star. Now I am going to draw the star. Wow, it's so perfect. I want to draw a bigger star. Wow, I can make it as big and as small as I want. Isn't it great? It is, right? Let's see how we can draw a line. Can you see a line in these shapes? Yes? Okay, let's click on the line. Here, I clicked on the line. Now, what am I going to do? I am going to click on the drawing area and I am going to drag the mouse to draw the line. See, I can draw a line of any length. I drew sleeping lines, then I drew a standing line. Now I am drawing a diagonal line. So it is up to you which kind of line do you want to draw. Okay? Like this, you can draw the lines. Okay everyone? Is it clear to you all? Alright? You can also choose the thickness. Can you see? There is an option of size. Let's click on size. Now, I want a very thin line. So I will select this line. Let us draw a line now. See? This line is so thin as compared to the previous one. Right? So it is up to you what is the thickness that you want. And you can also choose the colors. You can draw a line of any color. Suppose I want to draw a line of green color. So I will select the green color. Now can you see which color line it is? It is a green color line. Okay? So like this you can draw whichever shape you like. Okay? Now, what are we going to learn? Now we are going to learn how to open a new window in Paint. Suppose your screen is full. Now this drawing area is full, right? And what do you want to do? You want to open a new window. So what will you do? You will click on the Paint button. Here is the Paint button. There are so many options that have appeared now. Now we will click on the new option because we want a new drawing area, a new window. So when I clicked on the new option, I will get few options like these. Do you want to save changes to Untitled? If you want to save it, you can click on Save. If you don't want to save it, you will click on Don't Save. And if you want to cancel, that means आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है, आपको save करना भी नहीं है, आपको you don't want to do anything, you just want to stay over here. आपको आपकी इसी drawing में कुछ change करना है. तो what can you do? You can do cancel. But right now मुझे तो एक नया window open करना है. तो I have clicked on Don't Save. I don't want to save this. See. Now I have a new window. राइट एक न्यू विंडो दिख रहा है आपको. मेरा पूरा ड्राइंग एरिया क्लियर हो गया है. एकदम क्लियर ड्राइंग एरिया मिल गया मुझे, राइट? सो लाइक दिस you can open a new window in Paint. Okay? Now if you want to save something, you can always save the pictures that you draw in Paint. And it is good to save the pictures, right? If you save the pictures, you can always see them later when you want. So how can we save any picture? Suppose if I am drawing a star. Here I've drawn a star. Now I want to save it. क्या होगा अगर मैं सेव करूंगी? तो अगर मैं सेव कर लूंगी इसे, तो अगर मुझे इसे बाद में कभी देखना होगा तो मैं इसे बाद में भी देख सकती हूँ. Let's see how I can save it. First, I will click on the Paint button. Now I will select the Save option. Once I click on Save, a dialog box like this will appear. Now you can type the name here. What is written over here? Untitled. Now I'm just going to delete this untitled. I will press the backspace key on my keyboard, this one, like this. Now I'm going to type. Suppose I want to save it as star. So I will type STAR, star, like this, and then I will click on save. Now what has happened? This painting has been saved into the computer. Can you see over here? It is written Star Paint, right? Because I saved it by the name of star. It is up to you how you want to save it. You can save it by any name. Okay? Now I am closing the paint by clicking on the cross button. Now, suppose I want to see my star again. So what will I do? I will open Paint. How will I open Paint? I will click on the Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on Accessories. Then I will click on Paint. Oh, where is my star? I cannot find my star. Where did it go? Now we are going to learn how to open the saved pictures. How can you open them? First you have to click on the Paint button. Okay, click on the Paint button. Now click on Open because we want to open our picture, right? When I click on Open, can you see our star? I saved that painting by the name of star. So here it is. Now I will just click on it and then I will click on Open. Oh, here is my star. So I got my picture back, right? So like this, you can open whatever you have saved in Paint. Okay? Now I have done my painting. Okay, I don't want to do anything else. Now I will close the paint. How will I close the paint? It is very easy to close the paint. See, you can either click over here on this cross, or what can you do? You can click on the Paint button and then you can click on this Exit button. Exit. See, it's gone now, right? So like this, you can close Paint. So this was all for today. I hope that you all enjoyed learning Paint. Now what are you going to do? You're going to draw different beautiful paintings, right? So you have to draw beautiful paintings and share them with your teacher. Okay? Bye everyone.